All right, so let's look at another example for this one as well, when we're given two sides and one angle. So this time, I'm just giving you information, and you would have to draw the triangle yourself. So given angle A is equal to 80 degrees, side B is equal to 16, and side C is equal to 12, I want to find the remaining angles and the additional side of the triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by finding A, because of course A is going to be that missing side, and like I mentioned, I like to find all my sides first before I go down and look for my angles. So in this case, I get A squared is equal to 16 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 15 times 12 times cosine of 80, which is giving me A squared is equal to 337.487, so I take the square root of both sides, giving me A is equal to 18.37. From there, I'm going to use my law of sines, and that's going to give me that the angle B is going to be 59.07. And then I'm going to use the rest of my information to find C. Now let's just make sure that this makes sense. So I have A as my largest side, which means A should be my largest angle. And in this case, it is indeed. 80 is going to be larger than 59, which is larger than 40. So the second thing I need to make sure is if I'm getting B is equal to 59.07, B should be my second largest side, and C should be my third largest side for my third largest angle. Again, notice we have two possible solutions. However, if our B is going to be our secondary solution, which would be, because this is less than 90 degrees, we could take 180 minus this to get 120.93. But again, because B would then be a larger angle than our angle A, this doesn't make sense, meaning that the actual bit that we found is correct. So that's something that you really have to be careful of when it comes to two sides and one angle, is making sure that when you solve for B, that this should not be the secondary output. So the fact that it should be the smaller number rather than the larger number is going to be based on your knowledge of triangles and your knowledge of the law of cosines.